Webcam the World by Heather McHugh. Get all of it. Set up the shots at every angle. Run them online 24/7. Get beautiful stuff like scenery and greenery and style, and get the ugliness like cruelty and quackery and rue. There's nothing unastonishing, but get that too. We have to save it all, now that we can, and while. Do close-ups with electron microscopes and vaster pans with planet cams. It may be getting close to our last chance. How many millipedes or elephants are left? How many minutes for mind-blinded men? Use every lens you can. Get Dubliners in fisticuffs. The last Beijiner with an abacus. The boy in Addis Ababa who feeds the starving dog. And don't forget the cows. And neck irons when barns begin to burn. The rollickers at clubs, the frolickers at forage. Take it all. The space you need, it's curved. Let mileage be footage, let year be light. Get goggles for the Hermitage and shades for Horridge. Don't be boggled in totality. We're here to save the world without exception. It will serve as its own storage.